Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can solve heating problem in Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and usually the heating problem will happen if there is an app or some apps which are using too much battery in your Samsung Galaxy phone, and here I'm going to show you how we can fix this problem. First thing first, you can go to your setting and you're going to open the device care setting, this one, and in this device care setting you can choose optimize now. Click on this option, and if there is a high battery usage detected, it will appear right here and you will be able to fix it. Then I'm just going to click on done, and then you can also go to the diagnostics. Open the diagnostics, and you're going to select app battery usage diagnostics. And as you can see, there's no apps detected using too much battery. But if there is an app detected using too much battery, it will appear right here. Then you have to solve it. Or we can also go to the apps menu or the app setting. Go to the app setting, and you can choose an application which is detected using too much battery in your Samsung Galaxy phone. And let's say that my CapCut application is using too much battery in the Samsung Galaxy phone, so I'm going to restrict the application. We can go to the battery menu and then select restricted. And you can read the description right here: restrict battery usage while this app is running in the background. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to solve heating problem in Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will work on your phone. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.